Email templates. You loved our last lot, so we thought we'd give you some more.
What's up, guys? Valerie from NetHunt here. Everybody's favorite Gmail CRM and learning hub to help your business grow. Today we've got an email marketing tutorial treat for your eyes and ears.
Psst. Did you know that email marketing's dead?
Fat chance. It's more alive than ever. But what exactly is email marketing in 2020? Apart from the sizzling hot cold email guide that you can find by following the links in the description, email marketing does what it says on the tin. It's a very direct form of marketing, using email to promote a business's products and services. It involves sending any number of things from product announcements, discounts, audience education, or other services to a preset list of recipients. Well, we live in a busy world. The good news is that it means that there's a lot of customers, but it also means there's a lot of competitors fighting it out for their attention. The average professional spends 28% of the workday reading and answering emails. That means there's a lot of background noise to cut through and make your email marketing campaign stand out. Email marketing is not dead. It just got a bit more difficult. In fact, the average expected return on investment is $42 for every $1 you spend on email marketing. Those numbers speak for themselves. If you can master it, it's worth it. Stay tuned for the tools to understand how. First, you're probably wondering why you should bother email marketing. Amongst the million other tasks you've got to do today, the thought of having to follow a set of rules to maybe hit a few more leads doesn't sound very appealing. But the truth is, email marketing is easy. It's actually too easy. That's why everyone's doing it. It's easy because of modern technology. Modern CRM systems automate the whole process, from contact management to mail merge to email templates through to reporting. Easy. It's convenient as well. 81% of emailers check their emails on smartphones. You can ping a notification straight to your recipient's phone with a 50-50 chance that they will open it. Still, even if they don't, there's got to be some kind of subliminal advantage to having your brand name read. Convenient. It's customer-centric, and if you're a keen net hunter, you'll know that we're all about that. Freebies and discounts, product announcements, dark videos. Everybody loves free stuff. Those bulk mail merge feature we were talking about earlier mean you can send hyper-personalized emails to whoever you want. Nice. Finally, it's cheap. At the end of the day, after you've paid your internet bill anyway, it's free to send an email. And free is just about as cheap as you can get. Email templates time! Here they come. Those lovely email templates you've been all waiting for. Your marketing team is free to get as creative as they want to either re-engage old customers or to butter up new ones. But with that in mind, there are some common email marketing emails that regularly fill up my inbox. The welcome email. Get it right. 42% more likely to be opened than another marketing email. Promotions. Give us more free stuff, we love it. Here's NetHunt showing off their soft side. Competition. You might think it's a bit funky, but it definitely works. Cart abandonment. Winners never quit and quitters never win. 45% of cart abandonment emails are opened. Content. Here's one we sent out for a recent webinar with our CEO, Andre Petrick. You want more? If you've got any examples of effective email marketing, hit us up in the comments below. We would love to hear them. If you've not, check out the link in the description box and download our beginner's guide to sales follow-up emails. Finally, our YouTube channel also has a playlist dedicated to effective email marketing, so be sure to check that out too. Like, comment, and subscribe. NetHunt over and out.